Hey friends, my name is Bilal Khan and today I am going to talk about a problem that I faced in my previous video. So the problem was that if I log in into the member account, after that if I log out and then again log in into the admin account, so in that case I was not able to log in into the admin account. So this was a problem that I faced in my previous video. So I will solve this problem and I can log in into the member account and I can also log in into the admin account if I want to. So as you can see here that this is the set.go file. This is basically set the credentials into the Redis database, and as you can see that these are the set credentials. This is the function that I created. So if I remove the S from here, you will see that this is giving me an error that the set credentials are set into the set member.go file and set credentials are saved into the update.go file, and this functionality is also saved into the used into the signup.go file. Alright, so one function is used in multiple files like in the set member and in the signup. So both are different. Basically the member is also different and the signup is different. So the signup users are different and the members are different. So that's why I need to separate this set credential and make two functions out of it. Alright, so let's say write first of all Control C, copy this, and once it is copied I will paste it, and now let's change the name of them. So first thing is I will write set user credential. So this will be for the admin who will sign up and log in, and this will be for the member like this. Alright, so member credentials and the user credential. So now let's change the name of them, like what you can say, I will write user emails, and let's copy the user, paste it down here and here, user full names and user account names like this. And now once it is done, what I will do, I will write members instead of writing user. So this will be for member. Alright, so let's copy this, paste it here, paste it down here, and now at the end also paste it here like this. Alright, so basically this is for the member and the above one is for the user. So let's change the set member functionality here. So I will write member inside the set member.go file because this is relevant to the member functionality. After that, let's go to the update.go file, and as you can see here that for the update I will write user because this function is for the update user. Alright, so I will write the set user credentials. So let's change it like here, sign up. So I will write set user credentials, and now if I want to get the credentials, I can get it from the member and I can get it from the user. So I will make another function also like this. So one will be for the member and another one will be for the user. So let's write get member credentials, and now let's write the get user credentials. And as you can see here that the get credential function is used in the set member.go file, and it is also used in the sign up and login. So these functions are separated and these users are separated, so but one function is used in it. So that was the problem that it was creating for me. So I will change the name of them and I will change like the values of them also. So now let's write what you can say, sorry, I will click on this and write member. Let's write member here and member, sorry, it will be fine. And once it is done, what I will do, I will write user instead of writing member because this function is for user. So let's copy this user full names, and what I can say after that I will write user full names. Alright, so now let's update this. So what I will do, I will in the get credentials I will write get member credentials because it is present in the set member.go file. And now let's go to the sign up, and in this file I will write set get user credentials, and here in this way I will also write get user credentials like this. Alright, so I hope you understood. After that, let's go to the here this function also. I will see in this way I will write get member credentials because for the member this is the member credentials, and from the user this is the user credentials. Alright, so let's save this. After saving it, let's write go install, and now let's write proctl status. You can see that the veins is logged in. So if I show you let me just write. As you can see, there no members is present, so I will create members. But if I show you the sign up account, as you can see that only one account is signed up, and this will be the admin, and after that the other email addresses will be the members. So let's write proctl. First of all, let's write what you can say, invite mem. Let's write e for the email address. So this time I will write email address of a member that I want to invite, gmail.com. Now it will take some time, so let's wait for this. Now the member is successfully invited. If I show you, it will take me some time, so yeah, let's refresh this. Now as you can see that the events is invited, so I will take the token from here, delete this forever. Here I will write proctl log out. First of all, once it is logged out, I will write proctl check. So it will check the email address, that whether this email address is invited or not. Alright, so let's write verification code here. Paste it line is. Now if I press enter this, your account is successfully verified. Now I have verified it. Now what I will do, I will write proctl set mem. So this will basically set the member. So I will give the email address like the member email address like this. Password 1122 and full name or account name, let's say Kaifa. The member credentials are successfully updated. Let's show you like members. You can see that the member credentials are updated, and if I show you proctl status, you will see that now the Kaifa is logged in, because when I set up the credentials, after that it will allow me to log in by default. After that, let's say if I write go proctl log out, you will see that I am logged out like this. And now if I want to go to the admin account, then what I will do, I will write proctl login Veins tree like this and give the password. Now you can see that I am logged in as an admin account. So let's write proctl status. Now you can see that Veins is logged in. Previously the Kaifa was logged in, but now Veins is logged in. Alright, so this was the thing that I was talking about in my previous video, that I was not able to log in into the admin account. So this is the problem that I solved it. So after that, the next thing that I'm going to work on will be the above steps, that how you can log in again as a member. So if I show you, let's write a member Kaifa. Let's check this whether it will work or not. As you can see that I am logged in as a member. If I show proctl status, so as you can see that at the same time I'm logged in as a member account, and I'm logged in as a admin account. So I need to first of all write proctl log out. Once I have logged out, I will write proctl status. You will see that the user is logged out. Now if I log in as the member account, you will see that now I am able to log in as a member account. So this is working fine also. Alright, so Kaifa is logged in. So it is working fine. So now let's write git add and git commit admin can also logged in. Right. So let's write git push origin main or master. So now it is fine. Let's go to the, what you can say, GitHub, proctl. Now 61 commits, admin can also log in. So this was a thing that I was talking about, that admin can also log in. So it is not just limited to the member. So instead admin can also log in. So this was the thing that I was talking about, and I hope you understood it and like it. So if you liked it, then make sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, then ask those questions in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer all of them. So till then, goodbye.